Hi everyone. So today discuss ko yung mga activities na ginawa namin for this midterm. So yung for the first activity is nag-control kami ng servo gamit ang code from Arduino Uno and to the servo motor. So basically gumagamit kami ng microcontroller to send signal papunta sa servo. Yung signal na yun, yung nag-decide kung anong angle or position yung pupuntahan ng servo motor. So dito naintindihan namin kung paano nag-work yung control ng hardware gamit ang programming and kung paano ka-importante yung tamang values para makuha yung exact na movement. So, yun. Second is local based IoT data transmission o nag-send and receive ng data. So dito nag-send and receive ka ng data using local server lang. So hindi na kailangan ng internet connection kasi nasa loob lang siya ng system using local host only. And yun. So dito namin nakita kung paano nagko-communicate yung device sa isa't isa. And kung paano na ipapasa yung data in real time kahit local environment lang. Next is the matrix keypad activity. For the third activity, gumamit kami ng matrix keyboard. So yung keyboard is used for input kung saan nade-detect ng system kung anong button yung pinindot. Gumagana siya gamit rows and columns para ma-identify each key. So dito is kung paano nag-handle ng multiple inputs yung system kahit limited lang yung connections and kung paano niya nare-recognize yung bawat input. So lastly is gumawa kami ng login system. So ang purpose nito is to control access gamit yung username and password. Chine-check ng system kung tugma yung sa naka-store na data. So dito is nakita kung gaano importante yung security and kung paano sinisecure ng system yung access ng users. So overall, natutunan namin kung paano gamitin yung coding sa pag-control ng device, sa pag-handle ng data, and pag-manage ng user access. So yun lang. Thank you.